Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Afterpay Autopay Setup. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows you to buy now and pay later with flexible payment plans. Autopay is a convenient feature that enables automatic payment deductions from your account, ensuring you never miss a payment. To set up Autopay, start by logging into your Afterpay account and navigating to the Payment Settings section. Here you will find the option to enable Autopay. Click on this option and follow the prompts to link your payment method, which can be a credit or debit card. Once you have linked your payment method, you will need to confirm your payment schedule. Afterpay will display your upcoming payment due dates and amounts, and you can choose to pay in installments or make a one-time payment. Select the Autopay option to enable automatic payments. It is essential to ensure that your linked payment method has sufficient funds to cover the payment amount on the due date. If your payment is declined, you may be charged a late fee, so it is crucial to monitor your account balance regularly. Best practices for using Autopay include regularly reviewing your payment schedule and account balance to avoid declined payments. You should also keep your payment method up to date, as any changes to your card details may affect Autopay. In addition to the convenience of Autopay, Afterpay also offers a range of benefits, including no interest or fees when you pay on time, and the ability to shop from thousands of retailers. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can enjoy the benefits of Afterpay Autopay and make paying for your purchases easier and more convenient. In summary, setting up Autopay with Afterpay is a straightforward process that can help you manage your payments efficiently. By linking your payment method, confirming your payment schedule, and monitoring your account balance, you can enjoy the convenience of Autopay and avoid late fees. Start using Autopay today and take control of your payments with Afterpay.